everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Julie from Living Large on Lifetime, and today I'm here to do a fall crockpot recipe collab with the beautiful Kelly from Freedom in a Budget hosting. There are several other ladies, about 4 or 5 other ladies who are doing this crockpot recipe collaboration with us as well. So check the description box for those ladies and their channels, and let's get started. I am loving my new crockpot and I love this recipe that I made last year. I actually did some digging through my past YouTube videos and my Facebook page to actually find the recipe because it sounds so good. This is a chicken and stuffing crockpot stew. The original recipe was for a casserole and it turned out really soupy and odd, and so it turned into a stew, and it was literally the best stew ever. I added a few extra ingredients and it was just really good, really low in points, and I'm gonna make it again, get myself all ready and prepped for Thanksgiving. So let's get started. It's a super easy recipe. Okay, this is the best kind of recipe because we're literally going to just throw everything into the crock pot and let it cook on low for 7 hours. We're just throwing it all in as is. So I've got 2 pounds of chicken breast. I'm going to put them in just like this. I have 2 cans of brown gravy. Now normally I find the Heinz fat-free gravy and I couldn't find it at Walmart this time, so this is going to increase the carb count by a little bit, but I will have the total Smart Points count. I will have the total Smart Points count at the end of the video, so watch for that. So I've got 2 cans of regular brown gravy. I have 2 cans of whole kernel corn and 2 cans of chicken broth. I use the low sodium chicken broth. I also have over here, we're going to use 1 full onion diced, 1 cup of diced celery. We're going to use a huge, ginormous tablespoon, maybe a little more, of sage. I love sage so much, so I always add extra. So at least 1 to 2 tablespoons of sage. And then I'm going to use this stuffing. Usually I buy stovetop stuffing, but this was on sale at the dollar store, so I got this regular turkey stuffing instead. Okay, so we're putting the chicken breast in first. We're just putting it in whole like this. We will shred this once everything has cooked. We'll take it out of the soup and shred it up, but for right now we're leaving it nice and whole. Next in is the stuffing. We're just going to sprinkle it over the top of the chicken like that. Okay, next I'm adding both cans of corn. This is literally like a Thanksgiving casserole soup, if that makes sense. It's got all the good stuff from Thanksgiving in there. Okay, that's it. Okay, next I'm adding the brown gravy and the chicken broth. Again, just dumping everything right on top. And honestly, this would probably be better with turkey or chicken gravy if you can find it. I don't know why I got the brown gravy, but I was really looking and hoping for fat-free gravy. I think I just got a little disappointed and grabbed whatever I could find. So in goes the gravy and the chicken broth. Okay, there's my celery and my onion. The last thing I'm going to add is the sage. I want to add 2 tablespoons of sage, and then I'm going to stir this up. We're going to turn the crock pot on low for 7 hours. In 7 hours, I'm going to come back and show you the surprise ingredient. See you then. We are going to take the chicken breasts out and shred it and put them right back in. Let me do that now. Okay, here's our 2 chicken breasts before shredding. Okay, here's my chicken all shredded. I'm going to add it to the crock pot and stir everything up. Okay, now we're going to add the last surprise ingredient, which is a full bag of cranberries. These are actually frozen cranberries, so I'm going to let them sit in the soup for about 15 minutes so they can thaw, and then it's ready to eat. Yay, that looks so awesome. Okay, there's our chicken and stuffing stew all ready to go. Doesn't that look so pretty? It's so yummy, and if you don't like tart cranberries, then you can absolutely just leave the cranberries out, but I really love the savory and slightly sweet tart flavor of the cranberries together with the chicken. It's so good, and the stuffing, I love the sage. So let me know if you guys give this a try. Don't forget to watch the other ladies' channels and see what their recipes are like for their fall crock pot collab, and let me know how you like this one. Thanks for watching, you guys.